Hey guys, this is Jay Patel, one of the PA here at MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about having kids while you're on TRT. We see a lot of patients that are on TRT for a few years and now they have decided that they want to have kids. What should you do if you're planning to have kids while you're on TRT? The first thing is, if you're trying it naturally and if it's not happening, cut down on the testosterone dose and start the fertility drug like HCG, Clomid or Gonadrolin. What this medication will do is increase your sperm count and it will improve your fertility in general. So cut down on the dose of testosterone and start one of the fertility drug. Now, if you're still not able to have kids, see a fertility specialist, get the sperm count test done and stop the TRT and just be on the fertility drug. That will overall improve your sperm count and improve your chances of having kids. If you have any more questions, subscribe for more video and give us a thumbs up.